All right. Good afternoon. It's January 13th, 2026. I don't have a lot of time to do this, so I'm going to try and be quick. This is the daily chart. So today we just closed as a bear, a doji with a bear body. I'm I ki- I'm kind of thinking that the EMA is going to kind of recalibrate, and we might be in a channel like this. And I'm wondering if the EMA is gonna, calibrate, and we're gonna go higher because we just have a lot of macro factors in our favor. But here's the 2700 tick chart today. We had this big move in the overnight. I don't know what that was from. Oh, CPI. Someone told me CPI happened today. You get a 50% retracement. Boom. If you buy at 50%, you just go for that 75% mark, and you can risk 25%. That's a good trade. That's a very good trade every time. Um, so that's what people did here, and then we formed this bear channel, and then for whatever reason, this became a level of support. I guess it's about 69.90. We get a few bounces, and then we form a bear channel. Overshoot leads to a break, two legs down, and then a reversal. And it's a doji day, so it ended up near uh, around the middle. So let's take a look a little closer. So again, I think with a limit order, you can buy this. We can take an exact look at how much it retraced. So yeah, people bought this. Uh, what would that be? 61% retracement. They just bought that, and they held to this mark, and that's a good move. Um, so that you could buy that on a limit order. It goes sideways here. Could you buy with a limit order or sell with a limit order up here? I'm not comfortable doing that, but that's clearly a range, so you could argue for that. And now we're in a downward channel. You get a range right here, and it's like a trending trading range because this looks like a trading range to me too. So I think now a limit order sell right there. It's pretty solid bet. And then you get a lower high there and get the overshoot, pulls back to the EMA, a very strong leg down here, and you get that second overshoot. I often see this double overshoot that leads to a break, and that's what we have here. So um, don't see any reason to buy just yet. Um, but when we make, you know, you get this big bull bar here after that strong sell off. Maybe you consider that. And you get a parabolic buy climax. You get one, two, three pushes up. I guess you wouldn't call it parabolic because that first push up is the strongest, but you get three legs up, so like a wedge top. And then we get some bear movement. So I'm not going to take this on a stop order. It's too big a bar, probably into the bottom of the channel. But I think this lower high off the trend line you could sell. Uh, then you get an overshoot and you get support down here. So you get an outside bar and this bull bar. So it's stalling, and it's stalling at an important support level. So I think you could argue for buying on a limit order here. We get a break. There's just not a whole lot in here, and I don't really have time to go over it. So uh, that's really what I saw today. Hope everyone had a good day. I'll be back tomorrow.